Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to change performance mode in BIOS on the LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. First, enter the BIOS menu. Shut down your PC, turn it on by short pressing the power button, then repeatedly press the F2 key until you see the BIOS setup dashboard. On the dashboard, select Configuration on the sidebar. In the Configuration menu, scroll down until you reach System Performance Mode. You have three options: Intelligent Cooling, Extreme Performance, or Battery Saving. Select the one you'd like to use. To apply changes, press F10 and enter to exit. To discard changes, press Escape and enter. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.